竖 a vertical stroke written from top to bottom. 10 one héng stroke and one shu stroke. Write a héng stroke, then write a shu stroke right in the middle. Do not play connect the dots. Do not write too small. Do not write too small and write it in the corners. Do not draw a crucifix. Do not draw a what on earth is that? General guidelines of the stroke orders. 1. 先上后下. Always write the strokes on top first and the bottom ones last. 2. 先横后竖. If there are héng and shu in one Hanzi, then write the héng first.